Hello and welcome to the Systemi Board Fault Locator video tutorial. The Board Fault Locator, or BFL, is aimed at the digital testing in and out of circuit of ICs and PCBs. The bespoke software used is called Systemi Premier. One of the first instruments that can be used with the BFL is the digital IC tester. This offers the user a selection of tests that can be applied to various entities on the board. Outside of the extensive Systemi library, standard packages such as DIL, SOIC, PLCC and QFPs are available for unknown or house-coded ICs. However, for board-level testing, a range of connectors is available to the user. The D-type connector is one example. In cases where the part number is known, simply enter the IC number in the part selection window and the software will automatically bring up the package and the pinout of the device. The setup window will allow the user to select and configure the test or tests to be applied to the device. A selection can be made between truth table, connections, voltage, thermal and digital VI test, which can be applied in different modes, in or out of circuit using an external adapter. The logic thresholds can be set to validate or reject the results read at the output of the device, whilst the voltage in VI mode can be changed accordingly. The software allows for color changes to customize the appearance of the results. The switching of the BFL power supply can be delayed up to 4 seconds. Other options include the display of important messages on the screen. Once configured, the test can be carried out on the spot and in seconds. The result analysis window gives the user a simple pass or fail result over the number of tests that have been carried out. Comparison results are also covered here, along with the extended description of the conditions found. Back on the main screen, the results of each test selected provides vital information for the device under test. The voltage results are displayed in grey, the connections in blue, the logic conditions are displayed in red, whilst the thermal results are in purple. For VI results, toggle the view to get the analog signature of each pin of the device. A zoom-in function is also available. With Systemi Premier, it is possible to observe the test signals and output signals of the device in sequential mode using the logic trace option. In this example, we will use 3 tests in loop mode using the logic trace option. As the test starts, the signals are automatically displayed in a logic trace window. Each pin of the device is displayed and the voltage can be returned at any point on the test pattern. Faults and failures are highlighted in red and the test result window is updated accordingly. The faults can also be seen on the main window here in red. Let's now take a look at the different instruments available on the BFL, the short locator. The short locator allows the user to detect the proximity of a short on a board. A precise impedance measurement is carried out with an audible tone for the operator to concentrate on probing. The next instrument in line is the digital IC identifier. In cases where the IC number is unknown, cannot be read or recognized, simply enter the number of pins of the IC, whether you are in or out of circuit, and click Start. The system will automatically search through the System 8 library and return any equivalent ICs that can be used for functional testing. For more advanced users, the BFL offers access to each test channel with read and write options. This is the graphical test generator. Each channel can be configured with a name as an input, output, or bidirectional channel. Subsequent channels can be set up as per the pinout of the device. Test patterns can be created at will and later on sent out to the device. As the test patterns are sent, the system monitors the outputs of the device and displays the response in the viewer. The system has learned the function of the device, and this information can be saved and recalled for later comparison. In the setup window, the validity of the logic thresholds can be set for non-standard applications. The final BFL instrument is the EEPROM verifier. This instrument offers the possibility to read and verify EEPROMs out of circuit and in circuit. The firmware information can be saved and recalled for comparison. Simply enter the size of the EEPROM you wish to read and click the button. Once completed, the software will display the firmware information along with a checksum. If a previously acquired file is loaded, you may verify it live against another device. This completes the ABI board fault locator tutorial. For more information, please visit our website at abielectronics.co.uk.